won't keep my line no more.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a updated foundation routine, and if you guys want to see how I do my foundation, then you can keep on watching. And make sure before you go, you like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. And you can also hit that bell notification so you can be notified anytime I post a video. And a little side note is I know this concealer really didn't go with my skin, but it was the only concealer I had right now, so don't try to come for me in the comments. I usually use the LA Girl Pro concealer, but I ran out. So yeah, that's a little fun fact. But besides that, I guess we can get into the video. So I'm going to be going in with my CoverGirl True Blend Skin Smoothing Primer. And I'm just going to put that all over my face. Then I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Matte Made Foundation. And I'm going to use this foundation brush. And we're just going to keep spraying that evenly over the face. And the good thing about this foundation is it's matte, but like once you pump it out, it feels like it's wet when it goes on your brush. And then it dries up to a matte finish, and it really doesn't feel like you have on anything. And once I'm done putting my foundation on, I just go in with my Mario Badescu spray and just spray some over my face. Just enough to soak in and make it feel good on my skin, I guess you could say. Now I'm going in with my concealer, and I'm out of my favorite kind, so I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. concealer. And this is the color medium. I'm just going to put that under my eyes and on the bridge of my nose. So now I'm just going to spray some Mario Badescu spray on my sponge and use that to start blending my nose and under eye. And now I'm just going to continue blending the concealer out with my beauty blender. And then I'm going to go in and use some of my Badescu spray to soak my beauty blender just so it could blend more easily. And now I know this concealer not that bad, but it's just not enough coverage for me. I personally like the LA Girl Pro concealer, and this one was just like kind of runny, and it was too light for me, but I made it work for the video. So we're just gonna blend, blend, blend. And I'm just going to use any excess concealer, and now I'm just going to contour my face. And I'm just using like not an angle brush, but it's like, I don't know what you would call this brush, but I'm just going to contour my nose and my cheekbones. And I'm going in using, and honestly for this I use eyeshadow because it works well with my foundation. So yeah, I'm just using a dark brown eyeshadow color out of my BH Cosmetics palette. And now I'm just going to go in with another like foundation brush, and I'm just going to use some more of that out of my palette to contour a little bit more. Then I'm going to go in and bake with my NK Perfection banana powder. And it's something about this baking powder that I don't like. It makes me look like kind of ashy, so just disregard that when y'all watching this video and don't come for me, please. But besides that, I'm just going to bake a little bit, and then I'm going to go back in and contour a little more. And don't come for them edges either, baby. We're just going to contour until we're satisfied with the outcome. Now I'm just going to dust that excess powder off. And y'all can probably see what I mean about the baking powder, how it leaves like ashy looking, but and that brush is just like a fluffy foundation brush. I don't know where I got it from, but maybe Walmart, because I get most of my brushes from there. And I'm just going to contour a little more. Now I'm going to go in my Too Faced chocolate souffle, and I'm just going to put that bronzer over the parts where I baked. Now we're going to use mascara to curl our lashes, bottom lashes. This mascara I got from Walmart also. Y'all know I'm cheap, but just because the concealer rubbed off on my lashes, just so you can see your lashes again. Now I'm going to go in with the highlight, and that is the palette, Carly Bible palette. And I just spray a little bit of Badesky spray on there, just so I can wet it so it can show up more. And I'm just using this fan brush from Eco Styles, Eco Tool or something like that. I also got it from Walmart too. And I use this flat top brush just to put highlight underneath my brows. And y'all, I absolutely love this palette. Like, I didn't have this palette for a while, and like, I just love the highlighter. That's my favorite part of the palette. But it's a very nice palette to have. And I'm mad because when I got it, I dropped it, and the pink like highlight broke all of it out, so I never got to use it. Now I'm just going in with my MAC Ultra Matte lipstick. And I'm just going to put that all over my lips, and it dries very fast, so and I'm just going to spray my face with my Badesky spray and wait for that to settle. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks.